Hi guys, the Peugeot 207 HDI diesel engine won't start. Yes guys, it won't start. Stay tuned. Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the channel for how-to contents. Okay, so we have an airlock issue in the diesel engine. So what we need to do, open the bonnet, the lever. And then what you need to do is, I'll show you now. Let me just get around the car. Okay, so open up the bonnet. The problem is we got an airlock at the injector pump, diesel feed line. The easiest way around is to fix this problem and get your car going again, starting, is to unscrew this bracket here and then pull off the pipe. Yes, so this pipe, just pull it off from here. So once you disconnected the intake pipe, you need to squirt some Aerostart flammable spray inside the intake pipe. This will help to start the car. So I will show you now how it looks like. But please note, you need two people, because one, you need someone to sit inside the car in conjunction with winding the motor, so turning the engine, the ignition. So rev it up to 2, so as I just pointed out. And then once you sprayed the Aerostart into the pipe, it will start making like a sputter start, but it would eventually start the engine. So just keep revving it to 2000 RPM and keep modulating the throttle. And hopefully your HDI diesel engine will start just like this video. Okay guys, I will catch you on the next video. Au revoir.